Today I'm going to make guacamole, one of my favorite things. Avocados are so good for you. First I'm going to take some nice ripe avocados. We'll cut them in half like this, twist them, and to take this out I give a little tap and a little twist. Boom. My method for taking the flesh out of the avocado, so I take a spoon and I just chop it like so, and then scoop it out. One thing I'm pretty adamant about with guacamole is that it's not pureed into like a green mush like baby food. It should be a little bit chunky. That's why all the chopping is done right here. Okay, so to the bowl we're going to add some chopped red onion. I like it nice and fine. So nice and fine. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup here to this 3 avocados. Now I love to use actually Thai chilies in guacamole. I love the kick it gives. And they're really hot, so you don't need very much. I'm cutting the stems off. You do not need those. I also want to get rid of the seeds because those are extremely hot. I'm just going to twirl it in my hand, squeezing it. I do not want to touch those seeds with my fingers. So that just gets most of the seeds out like that. Now I'm going to chop these very finely. Because they're so hot, you want them extremely fine. And I'm being very careful not to touch any of the cut chili, because it's the juices and oils from the chili that are so hot. So this is enough chili to give this mixture quite a good kick. Alright? Next thing I want to do is add some salt. For this I'm going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now, this is a juicer. Put the lime in cut side down. There's holes in the bottom here. And you turn it over and press. And all that juice just comes right out. So now I'm going to mix this up a little bit before I add the last 2 ingredients. I'm using a wooden spoon. It's nice and soft. So there you've got a really nice consistency. So we're going to chop the coriander, stems and all, and add that. Just like that, into the bowl. I'm going to take this tomato and I'm going to chop it up. I don't need the whole tomato, about half a tomato. Small cubes. And take this tomato, add it to the guacamole as well. Now we mix all this together gently. And this is how I like my guacamole. You can add sour cream to it, which makes it even richer, but I like it like this. It's got a nice lighter and cleaner taste. You can't experience guacamole unless it's on a tortilla chip. Wonderful.